Hi, hi everyone. Welcome to Social Studies class. Locating places. Locating places. Let us discuss about this lesson very briefly. Okay. When we look at the globe, okay, when we look at the globe, continents, oceans, countries and cities are marked on a globe. Yes, what is globe? Yes, have you ever seen globe? I think you saw many times. This is a globe. What is the meaning of a globe? Globe is the model of the earth. Globe is a model of the earth. What is the meaning of model? Example, photography. Yes, your passport photo. Yes, like that, this is a photo of the earth. Photograph of the earth. Again I am telling, what is a globe? Globe is a model of the earth. Yes, earth is like this, like a ball. Earth is a like a ball. Okay, this is the model of the earth. When we look at the globe, what are here? This blue color is water. Here, are you able to see our India, our country? Yes, pink colored, our India. Here, China. Okay, this is place. Okay, countries these are. In India, there are so many cities. Yes, capital city, New Delhi. Here, Telangana, our Telangana state and Andhra Pradesh state. Yes, when we look at globe, what are their marked? Continents. Okay, continents and oceans, blue colored. Yes, these are oceans. What is the meaning of oceans? Like a big sea. We see, we know about sea, right? More than big sea, it is ocean. Okay, big water body. What is ocean? It is a big water body. Okay, briefly we can say finally, all the earth is divided into two parts. Yes, all the earth is divided into two parts. One is land, another one is water. Again, one is land. What is here? Example, India is here. What is here? Land. This is water. Earth is divided into two parts. One is land, another one is water. Continents. Continents, it is land. Oceans, they are water bodies. Countries belongs to land. Yes, cities also. Cities are part of the country. India is there. In India, there are so many cities. Yes. Continents. Let us discuss briefly about continents. What is the meaning of continents? It is a land. Earth divided into two parts. One is land, another one is water. So, continents. How many continents are there? 7 continents are there. How many? 7 continents. First of all, let us know what are that 7 continents. Asia. Asia is a continent name. Next, Africa. Okay. Next, North America. North America. Fourth one, South America. Fifth one, Europe. Fifth one, Europe. Sixth one, Antarctica. Antarctica. And seventh one, Australia. Seventh one, Australia. Continent means a big group of land. It is a large land piece of a land. Okay, it is a large piece. Large piece means large area. Large area means number of countries are located on one continent. Okay, every one continent having number of countries. Example, in Asia, our India located, China located, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, so many countries, number of countries are located on every continent. Continent means a big area of a land, a big piece of a land. Okay, how many continents are there? 7 continents are there. How many? 7 continents. Asia, first one, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. Okay, Asia is the biggest continent on the earth. Asia is biggest continent of the world or on the earth. What is GK question here? Which is the biggest continent on the earth? Which is the biggest continent on the earth? Asia. Asia is the biggest continent on the earth. Asia is the biggest continent on the earth. Okay. Next, which is the smallest continent on the earth? Which is the smallest continent on the earth? Australia. Australia is the smallest continent on the earth. Next, let us know some specialities of the continents. I am asking GK question to you. Which is the hottest? It means very warm area. Which is the hottest continent on the earth? Which is the hottest continent on the earth? Africa. Africa is the hottest continent. Okay, they face so many sunny days. Why? It is hottest area. One more topic is here, hottest area. When we go to Rajasthan, in our India, desert is there, Thar desert. Yes, it is very hottest area. So Africa also very hottest continent. Here also one more GK question. Which is the largest desert in the world? Which is the largest desert in the world? Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert also located in Africa continent. Africa continent. One GK question. Which is the hottest continent of the earth? Africa. Which is the largest desert in the world? Sahara. One more question about Sahara Desert. Which is the hottest desert in the world? Which is the hottest desert in the world? Again, Sahara Desert. Why? Its continent also very hottest. So, the desert also very hottest. Three questions we covered here. Which is the hottest continent? Africa. Which is the largest desert in the world? Desert means how types of soil we can see there? Sandy soil. Yes, sand we can see there. So, Sahara Desert. Which is the hottest desert in the world? Sahara Desert. One more about Africa. In the world, there is a one longest river. Okay, longest river, Nile River. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile River. Nile River also located in Africa. Okay, located in Africa continent. Okay. Next, we discussed about hottest continent. What is the opposite of hottest? Coldest. Okay. Which is the next? Which is the coldest continent on the earth? Which is the coldest continent on the earth? Hottest continent? Africa. Yes. Coldest continent is Antarctica. Antarctica. Why Africa is hottest country, hottest continent? It is located near the equator. Okay, near the equator. Why Antarctica continent is very coldest? It is located at frigid zone. At frigid zone. What is frigid zone? It is very coldest area. Okay. Total south side, equator to downside, tip of the south, corner of the south. Okay. That's why Antarctica continent is very coldest continent on the earth. How many continents are there? 7. How many continents? 7. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. Okay. These are 7 continents. Continents mean land. Continent mean land. Let us locate the continents on a world map. Let us locate continents of world map. India in which continent located? In Asia. Our India located in Asia continent. Then Telangana state in which continent located? Telangana state, our state. When India located in Asia, our Telangana also, Andhra Pradesh also located in Asia. Yes. When somebody asks you, where is India located? In which continent? You should say Asia. Where is Telangana located? In which continent? We should say Asia. So, let us go to world map. World map. Okay. This is also like a globe. Just model of the earth. This is also. First, what is the first continent? Asia. So this is Asia continent. Asia continent. Yes, here our India. Okay, so this is Asia. Okay, brown color, green color, pink color, all this is Asia continent. Just write here Asia. Take world map to locate the continents. Okay, this is Asia. In the world, biggest country, which is the largest country in the world in the terms of area, it means so much of land having largest area of land covered by that country, that is Russia, which is the largest country in the world in the terms of area. Area wise, see brown color area is here. How big it is? Yes, total this is Russia. Yes, this is Russia. So just write here Asia. This is also Asia. Total this area, Asia continent. Okay. Then Africa or Africa. Okay. This is Africa. This is Africa. Africa continent. Just write here Africa. Okay. Equator, near to the equator. Okay. What is the value at equator? 0 degrees. 0 degrees. After 90 north latitudes 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 90 degrees. South 1, 2, 3 up to 90 degrees up to South Pole. Near the equator, it is very, very hot. Very, very hot. Look at the Africa. Here this is 0 place, equator's place. Here 0 to 23.5 north and 23.5 south, it is torrid zone. Okay, it is torrid zone, very, very hottest area. Very, very hottest area. Just look at my fingers. Why Africa is very hottest continent? It is located most part of the major part of the Africa located in torrid zone. Yes, already we learnt, if this is equator, example this is a globe, equator, at equator 0 degrees, 23.5 north, Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 south, Tropic of Capricorn. We learned, right? This area 0 degrees to 23.5 north, 0 degrees to 23.5 south. It is very, very hot area. Okay, very hottest area. So this is equator, 23.5, 23.5. Look at Africa continent. Major part of the Africa continent located in torrid zone between of 23 north to 23 south. That's why very hot. To remember very well about Africa, yes, when it is very hot, okay, around us, we use umbrella, right? Yes. So look at this Africa continent, just partially it is looking like an umbrella. Okay. Next, North America. First of all, North America. North America means it should be located north side, north part of the world. This is 0 degrees, equator Upside body is north, downside body is south. So don't try for North America at south side. Why? It is North America, so 0 degrees. Equator to North Pole. Yes, North America. So this is North America. North America. We say always USA, USA, right? America. So many times we listen America. USA. North America is different. USA, United States of America, different. This is USA, United States of America. Where is United States of America located? In North America continent. North America continent is different. America country is different. USA here, United States of America, green colored area. Okay. This pink color, Canada country. Okay. North America finished. Fourth continent, it is South America. Fourth continent, South America. Can you give answer? Can you say anything about South America? Yes. If North America is located north side, South America should be located in the south of the world. Yes. 0 degrees equator here. Upside body, north side, it is North America. South side, South America. South side, South America. This is South America. North America here, South America here. Next, fifth one, Europe. Fifth one, Europe. Here I want to share with you one word, Eurasia. What? Eurasia. What is the mean by Eurasia? Eurasia meaning is Europe and Asia. They have continuous landmass. Continuous landmass. Simply we can say our neighbor, but attached with us. What is the simple technique to find out India? To find out Asia continent. Asia continent. In Asia continent, India is there. Wherever India attached, okay, it is Asia continent. At the same time, Eurasia, Europe and Asia having continuous landmass. It means if Europeans cross their land, just they entered into our Asia land. When our Asia people cross our land, they enters into Europe land. Continuous, our neighbor. That is Eurasia meaning. Eurasia means Europe continent and Asia continent having continuous landmass. That's why combinedly it is called Eurasia. So now let us look at Europe. Fifth continent, Europe. Look at here, wherever India attached, it is Asia. In which continent we are located? India. Where is located? Asia. So Eurasia, when we go this side, only water body. Eurasia having continuous landmass with Asia. So this side land is attached. So here up to Russia, brown colored, this is Asia continent. Here Europe. Okay. This is Europe. This is the Europe. France, Italy, Poland, Norway, Sweden, like these countries are located here. UK, United Kingdom, British people we say, right? Before our independence, British people entered into our India and they ruled for some long years, right? That British people are located in Europe continent. Yes, this side. This is United Kingdom, UK, British. All this is called Britishers area. Okay. So fifth continent, Europe locating finish. This is Europe. Just write here Europe. When you listen the word Europe, you should locate it definitely beside of Asia. Eurasia, Eurasia, Europe and Asia. Next, sixth continent is Antarctica. Sixth continent is Antarctica. It is very easy to locate the Antarctica continent. Just look at the corner of the map. Yes, ash colored mountains are looking here. Yes, ash color, totally south side. It is located south tip of the south. This ash color land and this ash color land. This is Antarctica continent. This is Antarctica continent. This also. Yes, here also ash color land is available, right? Total from here to here. Okay, total this is. Next, seventh continent or smallest continent, Australia. This is the Australia continent, just down to India. Yes, here India, this is Australia continent. This is the Australia continent. Okay, 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. These are the 7 continents. Okay, once or twice take world map and locate on the map all the 7 continents. On the world map, locate all the 7 continents so that you can remember easily. For second session also, you should take world map. You should have world map. Okay? Thank you.